Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best step ladder is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any home or workplace. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a professional contractor, or just someone who needs a little extra height, a reliable step ladder is indispensable. Today, we're diving deep into the world of heavy-duty step ladders, specifically those with a 500 pounds capacity, to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. HBTower 3-Step Folding Steel Ladder. Introducing the HBTower 3-Step Ladder, designed for your convenience. This ladder is made for you. It's perfect for various tasks around the house. This step stool folds up easily for storage. It folds to a mere 1.6 inches, making it easy to store and transport. The ladder features a high-grade steel frame for strength and reliability. A metal buckle locks it securely in place while in use. It has non-slip rubber hand grips and wide pedals with a non-slip pattern. Big rubber feet ensure it stays firmly on the ground, preventing slips and scratches. You'll receive 24-hour customer service. If you have any issues, please contact us without hesitation. We are always here to help you. What we like. This step ladder folds down to a mere 1.6 inches, making storage a breeze. It's easy to carry and perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. If you're looking for a ladder that prioritizes convenience and space-saving design, this is the one for you. What people say. The 3-step design gives me just enough height to easily reach my 10-foot ceilings. Whether I'm changing light bulbs, hanging curtains, or grabbing items from high cabinets, this little ladder handles it all with ease. The non-slip pedals feel secure underfoot, and the handrail offers a bit of extra confidence when I'm balancing at the top step. I love the wide anti-slip pedals and the convenient hand grip, which make me feel safe and secure while using it. The tool platform is such a helpful feature for keeping things within reach. Number 4. Wiberwi 4-Step Ladder with Handrails. Need a little extra height? This ladder is perfect for the kitchen, bathroom, or garage. It boosts you up, making it easier to reach high cabinets or change light bulbs. With a heavy-duty steel frame, it can handle up to 500 pounds wide pedals, a sturdy frame, and non-slip feet provide a secure base. There's also a safety lock for extra peace of mind. The long, padded handrails offer a comfortable grip. You'll feel more confident and secure while using it. Plus, the non-marring legs protect your floors from scratches. When you're done, it folds up easily for storage. It can be tucked away in a closet or under the bed. Just release the safety lock and fold it up. It comes with an attachable tool bag. You can keep your tools and supplies close at hand. It's perfect for holding screwdrivers, paintbrushes, or even a drink. What we like. This ladder comes with a handy tool pouch to keep your essentials within reach. The sturdy frame and wide pedals provide a secure base for any task. If you often find yourself needing tools while working at height, this ladder's integrated tool bag will be a game changer. What people say. Easy to assemble, very sturdy. It has a removable case to hold supplies while I work, or I can remove the canvas case and just use it as a handle for more support. It also has 2 safety rails to help me as I climb up and down, as well as a little more support if I lean left or right. The grips on the steps are wide for added safety. The steps are firm and deep, no need to hang your heels off the step. The 4-step version I bought gets me as high as I need to go with a solid top handrail to keep a grip on once I'm up there. The side handrails are nice but not as important to me as the top rail. However, they do add another level of safety, and that's not a bad thing. It comes with a tool bag, or pouch, that slips over the top rail and is very handy for keeping stuff at your fingertips so trips up and down the ladder are kept to a minimum. One of the reasons for the weight is the fact that the steps are heavy-gauge metal with rubber step surface. Number 3. SocTone 3-Step Ladder with Handle. This is the SocTone 3-Step Ladder. It's lightweight and perfect for various tasks around the house. It's designed to make your life easier and safer. The ladder features a robust steel frame and a safety lock mechanism. It can support up to 500 pounds, ensuring your safety. It's also fully assembled, so you can use it right away. Wide pedals with a non-slip rubber pattern provide excellent foot support. The feet are also wrapped with patterned rubber to protect your floors. This design ensures a comfortable and stable climbing experience. This step stool folds up easily for convenient storage. It's perfect for use in the kitchen, bathroom, office, or garage. It's an ideal choice for any task that requires a little extra height. When open, it measures 24.02 by 18.7 by 40.16 inches. Folded, it's 44.1 by 17.32 by 2.68 inches. The top platform boosts you 27.6 inches from the ground. It weighs only 12 pounds, making it easy to carry. If you have any questions, please contact us. We offer 24-hour online after-sales service. We are here to help you. What we like. This ladder features an upgraded metal support and safety lock for enhanced stability. The wide, non-slip pedals and comfortable handle ensure a secure climbing experience. If you value safety and a comfortable grip, this ladder is an excellent choice for your home. What people say. This was fully assembled. I just had to take it out of the box, remove some plastic and wrap and open it up. I was impressed that it has a safety on it to keep it open, and also it folds so flat. It's very sturdy on all 3 steps. It has grippers on the bottom, so if you are on tile or something it won't slide. Number 2. Usinso 4-step ladder with ToolBag. This Usinso ladder features a robust steel frame, supporting up to 500 pounds. The standing platform is spacious, allowing both feet to stand comfortably. The design incorporates a middle metal beam, enhancing both load-bearing capacity and stability, ensuring a secure work experience. The included tool bag eliminates the need to constantly climb up and down for tools. It's made of durable Oxford cloth, perfect for holding screwdrivers, wrenches, screws, and other accessories. This convenient feature keeps everything within easy reach. Safety is a priority with this ladder. It includes non-slip handrails on both sides and non-slip mats on the steps. The feet also have anti-slip mats, preventing any unwanted movement, providing you with stability and confidence. The ladder is equipped with an independent safety lock for secure use. The upward opening lock prevents accidental folding, while the downward closing lock allows for easy folding and storage. It can be stored in corners, against walls, or even under beds. This ladder is ideal for various tasks around the house, office, or garage. Whether you're reaching high cabinets, changing light bulbs, or cleaning windows, it provides the extra height you need. This makes any job easier and more accessible. What we like. This ladder includes a detachable tool bag, keeping your tools organized and accessible. The non-slip design, including handrails and step surfaces, provides extra security. If you need a ladder that combines convenience and safety, this is the perfect solution for your needs. What people say. Heavy-duty step ladder, 500 pounds. The ladder is very sturdy and stable. The steps are wide and comfortable. Number 1. HBTower 3-step ladder with tool tray. This HBTower step ladder is designed for your safety and convenience. It's a lightweight yet sturdy solution for various tasks around the house or office. With an open size of 20.1 L, *26.8 W, *50.4 H, this ladder can hold up to 500 pounds. The metal safety buckle locks automatically, ensuring stability during use. The large tool platform allows you to keep your tools within reach, reducing the need for multiple trips up and down. It folds down to a mere 1.6 inches for easy storage and transport. The ladder features non-slip rubber handles and wide pedals with anti-slip particles for secure footing. The thickened rubber feet prevent scratches and ensure the ladder stays firmly in place. You'll receive 24-hour customer service. If you have any questions, please contact us. What we like. This ladder features a built-in tool platform to hold your tools, reducing trips up and down. It folds down to a slim profile for easy storage. If you like to have your tools at your fingertips and need a ladder that stores away easily, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This is sturdy, well-built, and the parts fit together like a glove. The steps are large, so if you have big feet or used boot shoes on it, you won't have to worry about space or it being too narrow. It's easy to open and close. The bar is rather long, which I like cause it gives me more stability when having to hold on. The tray is very handy. I have used this to pick fruits of my tree by placing loose fruit on the tray till I was done. I've used it to do touch-up painting and also put dishes up in higher cabinets. All of which I can place on tray while I get up. It's stable and reliable. It doesn't rock or wobble when climbing up or down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.